Screen settings acting weird, colors off, brightness stuck, or menus not responding usually point to a settings issue rather than a faulty display. On an Acer monitor, these problems often come from changed picture profiles, incorrect adjustments, or menu glitches over time. You might notice the display looks different than before, or certain options don't respond the way they should. In many cases, the monitor is working fine but just needs its settings cleared and restored to default. This helps remove any incorrect configurations that may be causing the issue. Instead of trying to adjust everything manually, these are the steps you can try to fix this and reset the monitor back to its original settings. 1. Press the menu button on your monitor to open settings. 2. Navigate to the system or settings section. 3. Look for the reset or factory reset option. 4. Select it and confirm the reset action. 5. Wait for the monitor to apply default settings. 6. Exit the menu and check if the display looks normal.